So after various different ways to remove all of this glue residue from putty knives to sandpaper discs that fit on my cordless drill, or a sponge out of my kitchen. Sorry, the light's not the greatest. I dove into my kitchen cabinet and found one of these. It's a basic metal scrubber that you use on pots and pans that you can find in any grocery store. It's reasonably worn down, so it's not super sharp, and it does not seem to be doing any serious damage to all of this paint. So you can see all of that residue that's left. And to be honest with you, I'm tired of putty knives and I need to get on it. So this has made a tremendous difference. All right, now on to some fun. Much more fun than cleaning the back of this van. I'm gonna do a decibel test. I purchased an app for my iPad, and I did a 1-month subscription on this. So I've got 30 days to play around with this and truly see the difference in the stages of sound dampening without any, as a tin box as it sits right now, which I do have the side cards on the interior, and there is no insulation in between the metal and the cards. Outside of that, just a metal box in the back. Floor, engine compartment, windows, got the headliner, that's already there. So as I'm sitting here idling, I've got a reading of between 57 and 60 decibels. I'm going to scroll this over so you can take a look at how I've got this set up. But the camera won't be on it the whole time. I will flip back as I'm talking through this. Hey, I'm back. All right, so again, at idle, I'm about 57. I've got this set up pretty safely, so I'm not fumbling around with electronics while I'm recording. I'm actually using my DJI OM4 that I have sitting on my dashboard. I got a video on that coming up. I literally took the cigarette ashtray component out of the dash, and my tripod rests right inside this thing, so this is working out perfectly. This should be fun. I'll be seeing the decibel meter change quite a bit. And my goal is to get the van up to 50 miles an hour. I am currently at 50 miles an hour highway. I am mic'd up, so the mic may be dampening the actual sound of the van. Decibels. Fourth gear, highway, and I'm reaching 75-ish. It picks up my voice as well, so that's going to make it jump. I'm going to stay quiet at 50 miles an hour in fourth gear for just a little bit, see what it maintains. So there we are, at 50 miles an hour in fourth gear. I'm at 74 decibels, give or take. That's going to be my number going into prior install of any sound dampening. Well, I hope you found that test a little bit interesting. It certainly is going to help me get an idea of where I'm at. It's got to dramatically change, or at least I hope it will. I'm taking a moment just to scrub this down a little bit more with some soap water. I cannot believe how clean it got just with that scrubbing pad. That was a major feat. Moving forward, you may see or may not see the products that are behind me that I chose for my sound deadening. Yes, I finally said sound deadening, and that will be the next stage. Video 5 will be the install of the sound deadening projects. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love your subscription as well. Until next time, take care.